Welcome to the Crowden Club site here in the Peak District, and we picked up some delicious ingredients to make some thin crust Italian pizzas on the pizza stone, and in this case on the Cadac Carri Chef. So we turn the barbecue on just like this, we put the lid on, and whilst we're waiting for that to heat up, we can get on with the rest of the pizza. What we're going to do first is actually make a pizza sauce, and it's really simple. Just take a jam jar or a Kilner jar like this, and it's a few simple ingredients. This is just passata, about 200 ml in there, and then we want to go in with some garlic. Now this is garlic puree. Then we're going to come in with, in this case, cold pressed rapeseed oil. So a nice glug of that goes in, and then we want to get some salt and pepper in there as well. That goes in, and then the final ingredient is dried oregano. Pizza sauce is done, the next thing is the dough. Now you can make your own pizza dough balls, of course, it's very simple to do, or you can go to lots of places now have dough balls pre-made. So we just sprinkle a little bit of flour over our chopping board here, and then dough ball goes straight on, little press down. You can hand stretch them if you want. Key thing now, do not build your pizza right now. You must put it on your pizza peel first. And the pizza peel I've got hanging on the front of the barbecue here. And all you do is sprinkle a nice even coating of flour onto your pizza peel. Don't slide your dough onto the pizza peel, place it on like this. And then using the back of the spoon, work in a little spiral and just spread it out. Then with our mozzarella, we're going to tear off small little thumb-sized pieces, and working from the very edge of the pizza sauce here, we're just going to place that around. Now this is called Nduja, and it's absolutely delicious. And we're just going to pinch little tiny pieces off because you don't need a lot of this. We'll check the temperature of our pizza stone, and if we're at temperature, we'll get this on. I'm going to take my pizza peel, and with my thumb and forefinger, I'm going to pinch the pizza there. I'm going to pull in that direction, and then with this hand, slide like this. So here we go. Remove the pizza peel, put the lid straight back on, and it's really important that we don't do anything with this lid for at least 3 minutes. So when you take the pizza off, let's have a little look at the base. Oh, that's looking fantastic. Always have like an old tea towel with you. Between pizzas, it's really important that you just brush off any residual flour that's left. Last little thing, a few little bits of fresh basil leaves that can go on there as well. And then we'll drizzle this with some cold pressed rapeseed oil. So let your pizza cool down for a minute or so, and then go in with your pizza wheel. And the base is going to be super crispy. Here we go. So here it is, this delicious, fresh Italian pizza cooked on the Cadac pizza stone with beautiful mozzarella, a homemade pizza sauce, Italian Nduja, and mozzarella, and a little bit of cold pressed rapeseed oil drizzled over the top. Sensational.